In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a smart rich filter in Jira. To begin, make sure you have access to the Rich Filters feature in Jira. This comes from the Rich Filters for Jira Dashboards app. Once it is available in your site, go to the top menu, open Apps, and then choose Rich Filters. This takes you to the Rich Filters management area where you can create and configure rich filters for dashboards. Before you create the rich filter itself, you need a saved Jira filter to use as the base. Go to your work item search in Jira, and in the search bar, type the keyword you want to build your results around. In this example, you will type the word highlight into the search field, and let Jira return the matching issues. If you want to refine the results, type highlight again in the appropriate search field so the query clearly captures what you need. When the results look right, click Save. Saving is important because rich filters build on top of an existing saved filter, rather than an unsaved search. Now return to Apps, then Rich Filters, and click Create Rich Filter. Enter a clear descriptive name for your rich filter. Next, select the saved Jira filter you just created as the base filter. This base filter defines the starting dataset, and everything you do with smart filters will narrow down or slice that same dataset. When you have the name and base filter selected, click Create. Once your rich filter is created, open its configuration and go to the Smart Filters tab. Create a new smart filter and give it a name that matches what it will represent, such as warnings. Confirm by clicking Create. Now define the smart logic by creating smart clauses inside that smart filter. Click Create Smart Clause, then enter the JQL that matches the condition you want. For example, you can target high-priority work that is not closed with a query like priority in, highest, high, and status, =closed. Assign a color to the clause so it is easy to recognize at a glance when used on a dashboard. Finally, use it on a dashboard by adding the Rich Filter Controller gadget. In the gadget settings, select your new rich filter. Your smart filter, such as warnings, will appear as a selectable option in the controller, so you can filter dashboard results interactively. That covers everything you need to know.